Hey guys, it's Glen from TJM Northern Beaches. I'm down at the workshop giving you guys a rundown on what's happening here because Andy is way too busy doing all his paperwork. So over here we've got Bayer finishing off a 110 Defender. The customer wanted some really clean light bars on it, so we've got the new TJM Bluetooth model on the roof. No, we're just joking, but check out the wiring that Bayer's done. It is clean as. So over the back here, we've got Ed just finishing off a 79 series that we've built. It's got a full JMax GVM coil conversion. We've done MSA towing mirrors. He's just finishing off the Fats Fab intake pipe and the Torqued exhaust. So over to my left, we've got Mike just finishing off a dual compressor and air tank installation in the back of this PX3 Ranger that we've done a lot of work to. It's basically got the whole TJM catalogue. It's also in for a pre-trip check over and a full service. Over here to my right, we've got the D-Max that we've just finished. It's got the TJM Outback bull bar with the 9,500 pound winch. We've added a GME XRS 330 UHF to that with antenna, and we've also done the TJM GVM upgrade, including the TJM upper control arms. And lastly, out the front, Edo's just finishing off a full electrical system in the 4x4 high ace van that we've been showing you guys over the last couple of months. Thanks guys.